added to a new WhatsApp group, you usually can't see previous messages, but that's now about to change. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. WhatsApp launched Group Message History, a feature that gives new group members a way to catch up on previous conversations. WhatsApp says it's one of the most requested features and that it'll be end-to-end encrypted like all other messages, giving you a quicker, more private way to keep messages flowing. The update will roll out gradually, giving existing members an option to share previously sent messages with new members when adding them to a group chat, although admins can restrict this to themselves as well. But new members won't get the full chat history, as members can share up to the last 25 to 100 messages with them, which should be enough to catch up. It's a slight catch, but WhatsApp says it was needed for privacy reasons. Keep in mind that if you forget to share messages while adding new members, you can't do it after you've added them. You'll need to remove them and add them again to share messages. Once messages are shared, existing chat members will be notified when message history has been shared, including timestamps and sender information, which is displayed differently from standard messages. Until now, new group chat members never knew what happened before they were added, making understanding the context harder. Existing members had to forward messages or send screenshots to give new members some context, which only builds up storage in your camera roll. This feature has given WhatsApp an upper hand over its messaging rivals. Although Telegram has this too, but it's all or nothing, so you can't select the amount of messages you share with new members. Were you waiting for this feature too? Tell us in the comments. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.